So let us see the example of midpoint circle drawing algorithm. We are taking this example from the book itself, where suppose r is 10. In that case, keeping on 0 0, the first pixel to be plotted will be 0 comma r, which is 0 comma 10, right? So let us start from the beginning. X is 0, right? And we will continue till we get x is equal to y, right? So before starting, let us calculate P0, which is 1 minus r, which is 1 minus 10, and it is minus 9. I can see the P0 is negative. Okay. Now the circle is here, so first point is 0 comma r, right? So the initial increments, let me calculate 2x0, 2x naught is 0, and 2y naught is 2 into 10, which is 20. No problem. Now let me make a table for this, as we made in Bresnam's line drawing algorithm. So this will have your value of k, pk, your xk plus 1, yk plus 1, and the corresponding values of 2xk plus 1 and 2yk plus 1, right? So here, suppose what happened, k was 0, pk was minus 9, since it was negative. So the k plus 1 will be, what will be the k plus 1, since it was negative? So it will be xk plus 1 and yk, right? So xk was 0, xk plus 1 is 1, and yk itself 10 only, right? What will be 2xk plus 1? It will be plus 2, right? 0 plus 2, this was x naught was 0, right? Plus 2, and we are not calculating this thing, so it remains 20 only. Now it is 1. Can you calculate this P1? How will you calculate P1? We have the formula. P1 is pk plus 2xk plus 1 plus 1, right? So pk was minus 9, and then what was the formula? Plus 2xk plus 1, so minus 2 plus 2, and then plus 1. It will give us minus 9 plus 3, which is minus 6. Let me write it, minus 6. Still this value pk is negative. Since it is negative, what we have to do? X will increase, y will not increase. So x will be 2 and y will be 10 only. Now we can calculate again 2x, this thing, what it will be? The last one plus 2, which is 4, and this will not decrease. Okay. Now again, now it is 2. What we will do for pk? Minus 6 and plus 4, right? Plus 1. Minus 6 plus 4 plus 1, which is minus 1, right? So it is minus 1. Here again it is negative, so it will increase and it will not increase. It will increase by 2. It will remain as it is. Y is not increasing. Why? Because y is not changing here, right? Now here this is 3, again it is minus 1. So minus 1 and this plus 6 and then plus 1. What is it? 6 itself, right? 6. So what will happen here? It will increase and this will also decrease, right? So 4 and 9. So this has decreased, so this will increase and this will decrease. So 6 will become 8 and 20 will become 18. Similarly, now 3 6. Now what will happen? It is 4. Now for 4 it is 6. Okay, now the pk this thing will be different, right? We will also use to subtract this value, right? You remember the formula here, that when y decreases, in that case 2yk plus 1 also decreases, right, from pk. So it was 6 plus 8, okay, plus 8 plus 1 and minus 18. So what is it? 6 plus 8, 14, 1, 15 minus 18. 15 minus 18, it is minus 3, right? So minus 3. Since it is negative, what will happen? This will increase, but this will remain as it is, right? 5 comma 9. So now this will increase 10 and this will remain as it is, right? So now this is 5 and you will have to calculate again, minus 3, since this was y was not decreased. So what will happen? Pk plus 1 will be minus 3 plus 10 and plus 1, right? So it is, what it will be? It will be 8. So since this is positive, what will happen? This will increase and this will decrease, right? Now this is 10, so it becomes 12, 18 becomes 16. Now the another pk plus 1 value, it will be, pk was 8, so 8 plus 12 plus 1 and minus 16. So what is it? 21 minus 16, so it is 5, right? For 6th iteration it is 5. Since it is positive, what will happen? It will increase and it will decrease. Now 7 it is, it will be 14, it will also be 14. Let this be a part. Here we can see now the x and y value are same. So now we have got all these pixel values, right? We have got 110, 210, 310, 49, 59, 69, 68 and 77. Now using these values we will plot all the pixels. Okay, what will be the other pixels? As we have seen that if we have got one of the coordinate, here, one of the octant values, accordingly we can judge other values. Let me go up and show you that particular thing, where okay, so you have calculated this value. Using this value of yx, you can easily find this value. This will be just symmetric. So here whatever value 110 you have got, so 10 1 you can print out. Okay, is it 210 you have got, you can print 10 2. Here you can print, this is minus y is 1 and 10, so it is minus 1 10. Okay, similarly all other values accordingly you can print. So this is the way how your pixels can be plotted for a circle drawing algorithm. Go through these things and maybe later on we will see about ellipse generating algorithm. Okay, for now, thank you.